Hey Plant Pals, it's Mike the Kid Gardener, and today's quick video is on people are talking about using the Solo cups or the Dollar Tree cups, plastic cups, to use to you can either use them to up pot your seed starts, or just grow your plant completely from start to finish. Especially if you like an orange hat tomato or a micro dwarf tomato, you could grow it from seed to harvesting fruit in a container that size. So I was talking about it, and I really didn't have a great way of explaining it. Let's prox out of the way here. Don't need that. That was for something else. I was trying to explain with words, and I am clearly not good words. So I'm gonna just demonstrate it. So I mean, it's super simple. I could have did it as a short, but I didn't feel like making a short. So all right, you take a cup like this. This is your plastic cup. You could punch a hole in the bottom if you wanted to. I just take it, snip the side. You have to pick that up later and across the room. So that one, I like to put 4. You can do less. And see, so either you have a slit, then you take a marble, or these are clay pebbles. You can put 1. I like to put 2 just to make it more stable. And this cup, of course, here has no holes, and this is where you put your water or your plant food. If you had soil, you don't need plant food until the plant starts growing up. The soil does contain nutrients, but if you're using coco coir or perlite or vermiculite or the combination of, or just rockwool cubes or whatever, you this is what holds the fluid. The reason why you have the pebble down there is this keeps the cup up off the bottom so that it can wick up through it. Here, and you just set it like that. That simple. And this is how you make yourself a unit using Solo cups. And if you have a 3-inch net cup, you can use that. Just that simple. All right, that was very short. Like I said, I could have made it short. Didn't feel like making it short. Got the long form video instead, but it's short enough. Hopefully keep your attention. All right. Any comments, questions, leave in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.